Canada-based CALIMA Energy is giving back to shareholders, announcing a dividend payment as it records strong production performance. For the details, I'm joined by CALIMA Energy's CEO, Jordan Kevol. Welcome, Jordan.
Thank you. I'm glad to be here.
So tell us this news.
CALIMA has recently announced not only a share buyback program, but also a half-yearly dividend program. We're very excited to announce that. It really shows the strength of the company, the strength of the balance sheet, and the effect of our cash flows from our 4,000 BOE per day of production. So the 2.5 million, or approximately 2.5%, half-yearly dividend, also coupled with the share buyback program.
So what's it taken to get to this point, and how strong is that dividend program when you look at others in the industry?
What it's taken to get here is a strong oil price, as well as our strong production performance. So year over year, we've increased our production from around 2,500 BOEs per day in April of last year to just over 4,000 BOEs per day at present time. So that, coupled with very strong oil prices and also very strong natural gas prices in Canada, has really bolstered our cash flows, and that's going to allow us to have the benefit of growing organically, but also creating returns for shareholders at the same time.
Now, Jordan, you're visiting Australia from Calgary in Canada. What brings you here?
I'm here on a roadshow to tell our story. So I'm here in Australia to meet existing shareholders and to meet new potential shareholders and really tell our story and get it out there. Our team is based in Canada. All of our production is based in Canada, but we are listed on the Australian Stock Exchange. So we have a very large portion of Australian shareholders, and I'm here to get the story out. So I've been meeting with lots of people, going to lots of different cities, and having a great time doing it.
And doing that, is that ultimately going to reward shareholders in share price as well, do you believe?
I believe so. I think that we have a great story. I think getting it out there is extremely important. A lot of people are very pleased to hear the state of our balance sheet. We are on track for no debt by June 30th. People are pleased to hear our cash flow levels. We're on track towards $100 million Australian of EBITDA for this calendar year. And people like the dividend, people like the combination of growth. So I think getting the story out and allowing more people to hear it is going to be very beneficial for the stock.
So honestly now, are you undervalued?
We are undervalued, yes. We're trading at 20 cents a share right now. That's approximately $120 million Australian market cap, and that's not even 1.5 times our cash flow. So I think this is a great value proposition. CALIMA is in excellent shape, has excellent prospects, and I think we just have to get the word out there and let more people know how undervalued it is and what the real true value of this company may be.
And of course, we haven't yet touched on what you are doing next, what the next steps are.
Yeah, so we have an active drilling program. We just announced a couple of weeks ago another 4-well drilling program in our Brooks core area up in Canada. So actually this week, we're going to be spudding the first of 4 wells. We also have a very exciting project in our North Thorsby area to complete a step-out well that was drilled in Q1 of this year. So we're anxiously awaiting the results of that well. And we are lining up for an additional drilling program to commence in Q4 of this year. So we're doing all of this on balance sheet in conjunction with paying our dividends. So we're going to have a very active second half of this year, bringing on some new production, all the while living within cash flow and giving returns to shareholders.
Well, you enjoy the rest of your stay in Australia. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you very much.